There was a time when the world moved on iron veins. Before highways scarred the earth and aircraft stitched the skies, railways carved through mountains, deserts, and forgotten frontiers. They were more than transportation. They were ambition, forged in steel. Across continents, empires rose on the rhythm of locomotives. Entire civilizations grew along the track, but many of those routes now lie silent. Rusting rails disappear into forests. Stations crumble beneath creeping vine. Tunnels echo only with wind. Yet beneath the silence, something powerful remains. What if the future of sustainable travel lies in reclaiming the past? Around the world, visionaries are rediscovering historic rail corridors. In an age of climate crisis, the railway offers something radical: slow travel, low emissions, deep connection. Ancient routes are being transformed into green arteries of movement. Railways are inherently efficient. One train can replace hundreds of cars. Reclaiming ancient routes is not nostalgia, it is strategy. Imagine traveling through landscapes at human speed. The railway does not just move people, it immerses them. Rail produces a fraction of emissions compared to aviation. Rebuilding historic railways revitalizes rural economies. Tracks that once carried industrial ambition now carry sustainable vision. Bridges must be reinforced, tunnels stabilized, signals modernized. Climate targets demand change. Vintage stations powered by smart grids. This is not regression, it is evolution. Imagine continent-spanning eco-rail networks. Imagine travel that leaves landscapes intact. There is poetry in restoration. The world once trusted rail to unite distant horizons. Perhaps it is time to trust it again, because sometimes the path forward is the one we already built.